Now, I want you to imagine. What if you can earn money online by simply listen to music? I believe any one of you has a computer or a mobile phone. Now, I'm listening to music every single day, and I'm able to get paid and make money by simply doing that. Now, this is a warning. Before we go into this video, be sure that we get this one. The results are not typical, but I will show you my own tricks and strategy so that you can make more money just like this one. Now also, we have 4 brand new websites and special tricks you can sign up for free and use your accounts worldwide, so you can start making money by simply listening to music. Now make sure you don't miss out on any of these, so that you can earn $50 up to $750 quickly by listening to music. You can repeat this process over and over again, and I'll be showing you which songs you should listen to so you can make double or even triple more money and you can earn faster compared to other people. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now this is RadioEarn.com. Earn alone or with your website with listening radio. Now this method today is completely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and this is available worldwide. Everyone from every country can do it starting today. Now let me show you how it works. This is very simple, very fast, and you don't need any followers to listen to any music. But you need to sign up first for a free account, which I'll show you in a moment. Once you sign up, you can log into your account and then you can find a lot of music. A lot of songs that you can listen to and make money online. Make sure you keep watching because I will show you real-life examples and also a few steps that can help you speed up your earnings. Now you can see here for every 15 minutes that you listen to music, you can get points. After you earn the points, you can convert them into real money and then you can receive your payment through bank transfer, PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Payoneer, and Skrill. Now there are a lot of different payment methods used on this website, but let me show you that this membership is 100% free. No premium packages. Now you can use the service worldwide and it supports every single country in the world. Now before I show you how to sign up for a free account, understand that this is the #1 bonus step that I'm going to show you. Now pay attention and please don't miss out on this. Now the first step is how you're going to find the top hits. For example, Top Hits 2021 or Top Songs or Popular Songs. You're going to find a list of music that's ideally over 1 hour. As you can see, this is example of Top Hits 2021, and as you can see here, it's for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now, the reason why we should find a longer video or longer music is that we can earn more money, and we can play it in the background while they're doing other things like browsing the internet or maybe using Facebook or even watching a YouTube video. You can let the music play in the background so you can earn money while doing something else. Now the second tip that I will give you is that you can go and find a playlist. For example, if you open up this playlist, you can see that this is the first song and you can find a lot of songs that are queued. If you drag this down, you'll see that this playlist has 100 songs that will play automatically. Once the video finishes, it's going to go on to the next song and to the next song again and again. The clip is played automatically without you actively controlling it. Make sure you find a video that is at least 2 hours long or find videos that have playlists that contain multiple videos. Now this is another bonus example that I would like to give to you. When you go into the settings, you're going to click on this and you're going to go on the playback speed and you're going to double that playback speed into 2 times so that you can play the songs double time. What that means is you can make money much faster. These are some of the tips to show you that you can earn more money in much quicker time. Now going back to this website, you can go on and click on the sign up link right in top. Click on this link, then go to this page, then you can put in your username, your first name, last name, email address, password, and just click on register. It is a very simple process. Now this time I'm going to show you the second website, which is called cash4minutes.com. You can actually make money by listening to internet radio broadcast. All you have to do is very simple. I will show it to you in a minute. Now as you can see here, you can sign up using a unique user profile and adding your phone number. Once you select your phone number, they're going to give you a short test call. Once they accept you, you can begin to get paid by simply listening to radio broadcast on your phone. They have a global access for everyone from any country. You can do this by signing up on this website and start making money. On top of listening to music and radio broadcasts, you can actually refer your friends to this website and earn extra money by doing this. Now, the third website that I want to share with you is called HitPredictor.com, and this website is 100% free and you don't need any followers to begin making money on this website. HitPredictor can give you the power to directly influence new music before it is released. The reason why they pay you for money to listen to music is because they want to predict which music is more famous, which music you like. Now that's when they're going to show you a lot of different songs to play on a daily basis. Now one thing to keep in mind is that you want to sign up and make sure that you send more music to listen to and review, and then they're going to send you money on a daily basis. Now, what I really like about this website is that they do have a daily contest in the prize store, where you can earn extra money by participating in a daily contest. Once you get accepted, you can start listening to songs, and after that, you can find a lot of songs that you can listen to. Now sign up for a free account by clicking on this blue button. You're going to go to this page where you are going to put in your screen name, then put in your email, your password, your ethnicity, your gender, birthday, and then select your country. And as you can see here, they're accepting all countries from the world. No matter where you live, you can get started today for free without any followers. Then you can just click on I'm not a robot and click on sign up. It is very simple. Now I'm going to show you the next website, which is called musicxray.com. Now on this website, you can also get paid to make money online by listening to new songs and new music. You can see the features here on top. Over 2,000 available opportunities across all styles and genres. Automatic song to opportunity matching. Selection prediction. Detailed analytics showing your music's progress and traction. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Browse Opportunities here. It's going to show you lots of opportunities for you to choose from. These are all the categories that this website has to offer. You're going to get paid to listen to music and support the brands that you love. If you're going to sign up for a free account, make sure you click on this button right here and sign up for free. Then you're going to go to this page where you can sign up using SoundCloud, or you can also use your Facebook, Google, or Yahoo account. Fill up information required and make sure you entered in the right email address and click on Create Account. Now this is the most important part. Combine all the websites so they can build multiple streams of income and start making money online. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.